Hello, welcome to Pragmatic Training. In this short video, I'll show you how to record HTTPS traffic. It's little different from HTTP script recording. We will cover extending the validity of the root certificates. It's important to extend the validity because usually default validity period is 7 days, and sometimes you will find difficulties in handling expired certificates. So it will be easy to extend the validity of the root certificate right from the outset, and you will not have any issues as you do the recording. Then we will see how to set the browser proxy, and this is same as you did for the HTTP recording. Only thing you need to ensure that HTTPS traffic also goes through your proxy, JMeter proxy. Then we will see how to install the root certificate within your browser. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the certificate on your Firefox browser. Then we will see the configuration you have to do in HTTPS recording controller, and then finally recording the test. So let's follow the steps and open a terminal window, navigate to your bin directory, and you can ls, and these are the files you have to remove existing root certificates. Okay, and I will start this Apache JMeter certificate and proxies. So those files are removed, and ensure that you don't have your JMeter started. After doing these changes, you have to restart JMeter anyway. Go to bin directory in your Explorer window, and if you open the jmeter.properties file and search for Control F, proxy.cert, and these are the configurations or the properties available for the test script recorder. Also, this is available in your browser. If you go to your JMeter site, official site jmeter.apache.org, and go to property reference and search for test script recorder configuration, and all these informations are available. And if you copy this property and go to terminal window again, rather this property file, usually we don't do the changes into jmeter.properties file. It is not the best practice. You have to do the changes in user.properties file. Open the file in your text editor and paste the property proxy.cert.validity equal, set the validity period to say 365, so you don't have any issue. Control S to save it. Now you have extended the validity period. Then let's start the JMeter proxy, JMeter GUI. Once the GUI is started, you can create a script for recording. I'll use the template, or you can get there from this menu as well. Select the recording from the drop down and click create. You can set the host to record. I'm using jmeter.apache.org and give the recording output file. This is not necessary, but it's useful as a best practice. JMeter HTTPS, and since we are recording HTTPS, I'll leave it as it is and click create. The settings are going here. Then select the HTTPS test script recorder. I will leave the port number as it is, and in the HTTPS domain include the jmeter.apache.org. So this will ensure that it's going there. And set the target control as this. And in the filtering, add to ensure that you are getting only from here. In the beginning, you put .asterisk sign and then backslash, negation character in front of the dot, because dot is a special character, and .asterisk again. So this will ensure that JMeter will record only the traffic going to the server, not any other request, not to the any other server. So if you want to get rid of any other thing, you can add here, but I'll leave it as it is, and we'll start this. And before that, I'll go to the open the Firefox and type about preferences and search for proxy to set the proxy. Set to manual, usually it is no proxy, and click the button, radio button, manual proxy configuration. Since your server is running on your local machine, set localhost and set the port number as 8888, and this should be same as your port number set over here. This would match. And this time we are going to record the HTTPS SSL proxy should be set. You can set it explicitly, or you can click here saying that all your HTTP as well as other traffic goes through this proxy, and say OK. The next thing you have to do is install the certificate, root certificate, which you created. Let's go and see whether it's created, and I'll go to another window and ls. It's not created yet. It will be created once you start it. You can see. Okay. And click start. You'll get this message saying that validity period, you can see usually it's 7 days, and I have the copied one. So this was the default one, 7 days. It is created in the bin directory. So let's go to bin directory and see whether it's created. So these are the two certificates created, and you can see this proxy JKS file as well. So let's go to browser again, your Firefox browser, and search for certificate and click on view certificate. and click on import inside your bin directory, Apache bin directory. Select this, created just now, and click open. In the after opening, click this one, trust this CA to identify websites, and click OK, and click OK. Now you are pretty much done, and you can do some configuration over here. Say access the home page. So let's go here, HTTPS. This time I'm giving HTTPS jmeter.apache. Press hard enter, and you should verify whether it's getting recorded. It's not recorded, so go here again. Let's remove this for time being and restart the proxy. Usually if it is cache, it is not getting recorded, and so this time it got recorded. You can see unnecessary things are going because we have. So let's do that configuration again to ensure that we, meantime let's delete these things and go to request filtering, add dot asterisk anything beginning with this, and backslash to negating dot asterisk, and let me start again. Access the home page and go here and click on this, refreshing it. So this time it got recorded and we don't have anything going to any other side. This time I'm going in these SVG files, so let me get rid of them as well. Let me stop recording controller, clear all, and here I'll add dot asterisk slash dot SVG. So this will ensure that anything ending with SVG will not get recorded. So let me start again, access the web page and refresh the site and check. So this time I got recorded only this one, and so this is important to filter out. So let me browse, navigate, go to release page, release notes, and then component reference, and check whether they are getting recorded. Compound reference is not recorded, maybe it was cache. Let me refresh the file page, and this should get recorded. So ensure that your page is loaded, still it's not getting recorded through your JMeter, there could be two reasons. One is your browser proxy is not set and the page is accessed directly, or the second thing is the content is cached in your browser. So by clicking this will ensure that the fresh reload the current page, or optionally you could clear the cache before starting any recording. Hope this was useful, and thanks for watching.